Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make curry chicken drumstick, and these are the ingredients that you need. 10 chicken drumsticks, about 2 pounds, 2 carrots, 2 small onion, 2 cloves of garlic, 4 to 5 potato, and you need cornstarch, sugar, salt, curry powder, soy sauce, oyster sauce, oil, and water. First, we're going to marinate the chicken. I'm going to put it in here so it's easier to mix. 1 teaspoon sugar, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, 1 tablespoon of curry powder, and mix everything up. The chicken is all mixed, and I'm going to let it marinate for 15 minutes. Okay, I have peeled all my vegetables and I have minced the garlic, and now I'm going to show you how to cut these vegetables. This is onion. I'm just cut it into a square. And then the potato, I just cut it into sting my eye. Whew. Should cut it at the end. Okay, I am using a medium heat and just put maybe a tablespoon of oil. I am putting in the onion. Don't worry about breaking it, it will break when it's on its own, when it's cooked. Just trying to get the aroma out first before I add in anything. Okay, I'm going to add in the garlic since I can smell the aroma of the onion. I'm going to add the rest of the vegetable in. Try to cook it to golden brown. Okay, it takes me 5 minutes to get to golden brown for the vegetable, and the reason is because it will not get as mushy when I add it to the chicken later. Okay, I'm going to pick it out. Okay, I'm going to add in some oil. We're going to add in the drumstick, try to get it to golden brown. Okay, let me see if it's golden brown. It's been 1 minute. So, yeah. Cook for 1 minute in some water, around 1 cup, and try to clear the bottom. Scrape it off the bottom because it's sticking a little for mine. So, I don't know if it will stick on your pan, but on mine it's sticking to the bottom. Now that I have scraped off everything on the bottom of the pan, I am going to cover it up and I will cook it for 5 minutes. Okay, it's been 5 minutes and let me check. The chicken is not cooked yet, but make sure nothing sticks to the bottom. It smells really good. And now I am going to add in the vegetable. I'm going to add in more water until it covers. And I am going to add in more curry powder, another big tablespoon, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, and then mix it. All the sauce are blended in, the extra sauce that I put in. So I'm going to cover it up again and cook it for another 5 minutes. Okay, it's been 5 minutes. Let me check the bottom. Okay, nothing sticks to the bottom. And the potato is cooked. Okay. And the chicken drumsticks are also cooked. Do you think the sauce is too watery for you? You can add some cornstarch. So right now, for me, it's a little too watery. So I'm going to add a little bit of cornstarch. Teaspoon. Or if you don't want to add cornstarch, you can just let it cook without the cover for a few minutes, so the water will evaporate. Yeah, this way is better for me. So, yep, my chicken is done. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and click the bell to get notified next time I upload.